These are my favorite pizza ovens. I've also included indoor options, small space ovens, and even a portable oven.
Be sure to check out our many other buying guides, including the best portable grills, and best camping stoves.
In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pizza ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description,
so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Solo Stove Pi Prime Pizza Oven.
If you've heard of Solo Stove, it's because of its smokeless, stainless steel fire pits. This makes the company's transition to high-heat pizza ovens more or less seamless. Instead of the conventional elongated design, the Pi Prime oven's fuel attachments are long and slim and hug the back of the oven. This allows Solo Stove to keep its signature round, symmetrical design. This really is a great design. The oven is remarkably compact, and the opening quite small. The cooking surface is large enough to accommodate my biggest large cast iron pan, but I can leave the handle sticking out, a boon to anyone who has ever burned their hands through heat-resistant gloves. If you have a small backyard, the top's flat surface is a convenient storage space, and the stove doesn't sacrifice any of its heating capabilities for these details. I do miss being able to cook with wood, however.
Number 2. Ooni Karu 16. Note, Ooni recently released an update, the Karu 2, that we will be testing shortly.
Ooni makes pizza ovens in a variety of sizes and styles, but its Karu 16, 9/10, Wired recommends, is the most versatile and easy-to-use oven I've tried. You can buy a separate gas attachment, but it's designed to be used with charcoal or wood. Lighting the oven is fast and easy, simply drop a lit fire starter and a few oak sticks on the fuel tray and it'll get hot within 10 minutes. Unlike previous iterations, the Karu 16 has a door that hooks closed to retain heat and an integrated digital thermometer to measure the temperature.
Like all of Ooni's ovens, the Karu is attractive, light, portable, and easy to clean.
You have to constantly add fuel to maintain the temperature, but not any more so than other ovens I've tried.
The best indicator that it's a great pizza oven? I can't stop using it, and everyone who has seen me use it wants one too. Number 3. Breeo Live Fire Pizza Oven.
I've been dreaming of building a backyard fire pit for decades, having been inspired by my late father's stories of taking his mom's pies down to bake in the neighborhood's community pizza ovens. I've owned 3 Ooni ovens, one is in Uni, but always wanted to cook on live fire instead of pellets or gas. The Breeo finally made the dream come true. The base Breeo is a heavy-duty competitor to the better-known Solo Stove fire pit. I love the stylish Corten steel, which I treated to speed the weathering process, but what really separates it is the assortment of available accessories, headlined by a well-designed pizza oven that sits on top and turns the pit into a wood-fired pizza oven. I've made about a dozen pies on the Breeo and had mostly good results, though it is important to read the temperature of the deck and spritz it with water if it has gotten too hot, as real logs will reach temps little wood pellets won't. Master the quirks. All backyard pizza ovens have quirks, and you'll be rewarded with quick cooks in true char.
I've even gotten legit leopard spots a few times. Number 4. Ooni Volt 12.
Our previous pick in this category was the Breville Pizzaiolo, but aside from the fact that it's slightly smaller to fit on a countertop, Ooni's first electric oven, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, has objectively better specs. The door is triple pane glass, while the Pizzaiolo's is double pane. It gets to 850 degrees Fahrenheit instead of 750.
The main difference is philosophical. With the Pizzaiolo, you can put on a setting and walk away.
Even though the Volt has dials that let you shift the source of the heat, it requires you to keep an eye on your quick cooking crust. It also takes a lot of electrical energy to keep an oven this hot. Every time I opened the door, the temperature dropped by about 50 degrees. That said, if you want a safe, convenient, and compact oven that can work equally well indoors and outdoors without having to refill a propane tank or buy wood, this is your best bet.
Specs.
Fuel, electricity, dimensions, 24.2 by 20.8 by 10.9 inches. Material, powder-coated carbon steel. Pie size, 12-inch pies.
Number 5. Piezano. This is a little countertop oven that is currently making the rounds on TikTok.
When I set it on the counter, my daughter asked if we were making waffles for dinner, as you open the top to put the pizza in.
It also comes with handy double paddles for easier placement. Astonishingly, its claims of heating the top and bottom elements to 800 degrees Fahrenheit are accurate, and it takes about 15 minutes.
The cooking surface is 12 inches wide, and it's removable with handles for easy washing. A few cons: the heating element at the top doesn't cover the whole surface area, so you have to rotate your pies pretty frequently. Also, opening the top like a waffle maker means that it doesn't retain heat very well. It dropped by 100 to 200 degrees between pies and requires a bit of recovery time. However, it is affordable, small, and convenient and would be a nicer gift for a pizza-loving person than just a pizza stone.
Specs:
fuel, electricity, dimensions, 13.62 by 13.77 by 6.49 inches, material, metal, pie size, 12-inch pies.